probably.
Also, maybe who understands the character better?
Yeah.
The weaknesses, but also strengths.
Since I cannot judge anyone because I personally haven't played against them, and then still I would consider Ryser the more campier Zero Suit, but the more
I'm not sure, to be honest. I've watched Kranke Maschine at Respawn on Thursday. He was playing very patiently and campy himself. Maybe it's really depending on who he's playing against.
And yeah, you're right. But Kranke Maschine has some really good combos. He showed it a lot against Yoni. Ryser, on the other hand, it's difficult for me to decipher how he's gonna play.
So far, Kranke Maschine is in the lead, 50%.
It's like I said, it just comes down to who gets the first stun, who gets the first read. Because most of her combos still rely on tech chases.
Yeah. And Ryser always rolling away, of course.
I never noticed.
Not to get paralyzed by the paralyzer.
It was a grab mixer.
Let's see if Kranke Maschine notices that he always rolls away. Maybe
he tried to get the punish, but still, flip click being such a good move. Is he? Oh, almost a side B. I think you talked about the sweet spot earlier, which I didn't know about, but yeah.
Yes.
This is a good game so far.
Wow.
The next
Ryser almost getting the first stock.
I'm scared.
Almost
of the next
2 minutes in and no stock taken yet. Okay.
Oh, okay. That was. I think the next throw is gonna be up throw who's gonna kill. Yeah, but anyways,
smash and Ryser takes the lead.
Up smash is disgustingly fast. And it's a combo tool and it's a kill move. This move is just really good.
Probably one of the best, maybe the best smash.
Well, at least it's a good smash attack. Let's say, let's say the least.
Wow!
Ooh,
very clean stock.
The nair into down. It was nair down smash, right?
Yes, nair.
Yeah, okay, Ryser with the comfortable lead. It doesn't even... At this point, I wouldn't care to lose the stock. I would just try to extend the lead.
Definitely.
And because it's okay to lose the stock at this point.
Yeah, on the other hand, Ryser already playing very patiently, so he just needs to keep this happening. And
because the more pressure you put on your opponent, the more percentage you do, the more pressure your opponent is. This is, oh my god,
F-tilt, and I think that the eye wasn't on point.
F2 killing at mid-stage, what? Yeah. I was not expecting that.
Again, roll away. I think both are just rolling away since they do not want to get paralyzed by the down smash or neutral B.
Still, this is also the situation where it's okay to lose the first stock, but once you're on your last stock, it's obvious that you want to take it. In the optimal way, you have to take the stock right now to effectively tilt your opponent. No, not tilt your opponent, but yeah. Put a lot of pressure.
Both throwing out their Zers to get as much space as possible.
This is an...
Ooh, the flip jump.
Out. Nice.
Very nice. Very convincing game by Ryser. Taking game 1.
Especially since we had to see 2 minutes of ZSS gameplay, playing neutral, and then Ryser just getting the second stock out of complete nowhere.
Yes.
Nice gameplay. So,
we'll see.
Come.
Small battlefield again, but Kranke Maschine picking another song from
also
Final
a banger. I don't expect a counter pick. It wouldn't make sense.
I mean, Ryser usually switches when he's behind, which he's not. And I don't know if Kranke Maschine is another character. I think he pretty much goes solo.
He only goes zero suit. the up smash out of shield. Like I said, a good option in the combo tool. Puts your opponent in immediate disadvantage. Ooh, the downer. Kind of surprised how.
Oh, do you see a ladder? No.
Doesn't have much route.
Again, goes both spacing with their Zers to get space or maybe a combo starting. So it's interesting how it's on one hand fast-paced in terms of very fast movement, on the other hand both are very patient. They're just throwing out their safe moves to get in the right position to capitalize on it.
This is awesome. Yeah, you're definitely right. This time,
Kranke in the lead.
Kranke Maschine getting the lead. It feels nice to see such neutral-based gameplay like earlier, because the other sets we had, it's more.
They're way more explosive, yeah.
This is a much more patient set in general. And Ryser in general just. Oh!
No spike.
Okay, but that was good damage. I take it.
Oh, and an Adogin.
I think he had the lead.
I mean, it was a good mix-up since he usually rolled.
Like the Zare. Okay. The first hit of fair into anything is just so nice. I think the next. I was about to say maybe up for kills right now, but I don't think so.
Yeah, Ryser does not want to get to do a mistake now because he's already stuck behind. Yeah. Getting the
there barely
first
outranges this. No, the side B barely outranges there. That was.
Falling out of up B. That always hurts. I hear Mars complaining about it all over Twitter.
I hear Ryser complaining about it, but hey, wait, no, Kranke Maschine did. This is a matter of who's gonna take the second stock, because it's. Wait, I forgot. Never mind. Still, this is really much more neutral based. I like it a lot. Both players don't want to hit each other. They know what to do out of shield. They know what to do.
Yeah, even though Ryser is percentage-wise behind, it doesn't really feel that way. Both are still playing very safe. But Kranke Maschine getting the side B kill confirmed.
He covers it really nicely with the fall, with the side B.
Oh, and then there to down B. I have a déjà vu from the game before.
Yeah.
It was the same spot, but the other player.
Hey, they two-stock both of each other.
Yeah, so we have 1-1.
This is... No, I was about to say this is the first game 3 out of the qualifiers. I know Yoni went game 3.
Yeah, Yoni went game 3. Let's see if we are going to the same stage. No? Ryser actually picking Pokemon Stadium.
With the best music. I swear they this is probably my favorite set because of the music they
Best music, really?
Yeah.
I think I have to go. Sorry.
This is the best track
no,
of the Pokemon
There
Stadium.
are way better Pokemon songs, but we have to talk about the set.
Okay, we're gonna have a modifier. So. I was about to say, hey, this is a completely different stage. Yes, it is, but from the layout here, it's... Oh my god.
I played against Ryser yesterday, and
seriously?
yes, and I've seen there's a really interesting angle which some moves can hit you on the platform, and you can capitalize on it very well.
With Sear Suit or?
Yeah, with Sear Suit.
I know. I think up smash obviously hits below the platform. Maybe up tilt. Do you mean that?
Yeah.
Like below when you're at the platform.
When we'll see it, I will tell you. So far kind of even, but Ryser again behind.
Okay. Still wanting to get punished.
Back to
It's really hard to punish zeros with flip kick.
Wow, back
True.
Even though Ryser looked like he was behind, he suddenly is in a lead.
Ryser killing it below 90, which is really rarely the case. Okay.
Ryser mixing it up with the side B.
I like the mix-up a lot.
Oh,
I know.
The late hit from up smash killing, and suddenly with her, easy game again. Jab.
The classic bread and butter. I like how they just go for the safe options, the true options, and not overextending by a lot.
They both have very safe options, and if one of both would start using non-safe options.
Oh, I was expecting the neutral B, but I think it wouldn't even hit, and Ryser would have been in the deficit.
But Ryser putting it pretty well right now.
Okay, calling out the jump. The thing is, I don't think they can ledge trap both of each other because of the fact that flip kick even exists.
See, that's just having one of the best disadvantage states in the game.
They're not going for hard reads or anything. They just go for the safe stuff. This is. I wonder when it's gonna be the first option.
Wow, very patient, good read on the roll from Ryser there.
This is also a good panic option.
Only one stock away from winners top 16.
It would have been hilarious if one of them gets a down spike. Oh, almost gets the uppy. It would have been killed. I think it would have killed.
Very patient. Ryser really playing it patiently right now. Not overextending, not a bit. I mean, he's on the lead. He can play safe. And now Kranke Maschine has to risk something to get the stock.
This is a scary situation just because Ryser just trying to get the lead. He's not even going for the KOs, obviously, because seriously it is at a super low percentage. But yeah, this is, like I said, a good option to do. Ah, the call out.
Good back air.
We have a last stock situation, the first one of this whole qualifier. It's super scary. What? Does he have a double jump? Yeah. Yeah, he has.
So Ryser, pretty big lead on the percents, but...
Okay. He expected the tech. I expected the
strong back there, and now Kranke Maschine. Ooh, he gets back.
This is a bad situation.
Ryser playing it safe and jumping over Kranke Maschine.
This is kind of scary.
It's very scary. He just needs one nair down B.
Yeah, this is gonna be
chasing him down and killing him with up smash. Very interesting ending.
That was a good ass. That was a nice set to watch. I enjoyed it. First game.